I am in the city of Bengaluru. You can see some of water here. You must be wondering it may be a pond or a lake. But let me assure you, this is the main road of Bangalore city. This is what the situation here now. From past 2 days, it's raining heavily in Bangalore city. And even IMD has directed this is going to be heavier in the coming days. Maybe for another 2 to 3 days it's going to be raining very heavily in the city of Bengaluru. As we can see here, this waterlogging is here from past 2 days. And the officials are trying hard to remove it off, but it's not happening. Not just here. I'm giving the visuals of Shantinagar bus depot area. Not just here. In many parts of Bengaluru, IT hub, many places traffic jam is happening, waterlogging is there. It's all because of poor maintenance. And also we have to give the credit to the rainfall, because from past 2 days it's a record rainfall in Bengaluru. 133 millimeter of rainfall. That's a record rainfall in Bangalore in the month of May. And IMD has directed from till Thursday, this rainfall is going to be heavier. You can see in the visuals also that four-wheelers are really trying hard to cross this, as if the Bangaloreans need not the four-wheel vehicles, but boats in the coming days. That's the situation in Bangalore. Even Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar, has assured that we are going to solve this problem, because for this problem we need permanent solutions. But Bangaloreans are asking for the solution from many years, because even a small amount of rain Bangalore can't withstand. And if it is a record rainfall, then you can see the visuals what is the situation in Bangalore. Tech Hub Bangalore is facing this issue. That's why many IT officials have directed their employees to work from home, because crossing this river kind of road is a big problem for the Bangalore. And this situation Bangaloreans have to face for another 3 to 4 days. IMD has mentioned that it's orange alert in Bangalore, and as you can see, four-wheelers are trying hard to cross this road. For the two-wheelers, it's really hard. And many potholes in Bangalore, and that is making the issue another problematic. That's why solving this problem, and whenever there is a big rain in record kind of rainfall in Bangalore, it's big problem for the Bangalore, and it's really hard for the people to come out and go to their places, go to workplaces, go to schools, and in another 1 week or so, schools are going to open. So before that, if this problem is not solved, Bangaloreans are in real threat.